Alright, this is how my Spotify 15 amps sound like. Y'all, I'm happy that Mud used this thing. So, the first thing we're going to be going through is the clean version. Turn it down. Alright. Alright, so this is a clean version with some tremolo and chorus clean. It's crunch. Jeez, but this one's so loud. Hold on, let me shut my door, y'all. Because when it gets to the metal parts, it gets loud for Jesus. Alright, so this one's crunch. Oh dang. Y'all, I'm trying. That's better. There you go. Alright. Hope y'all can hear it better. Alright, so that was metal. Here comes Insane. Oh! Oh my god. Oh, dang. Jesus. Oh my lord, I was not expecting that. Oh my Jesus. That was so loud. Okay. Hold on, don't turn it on. Do not. Holy crap. Do not turn it on.
Okay, turn it down.
Oh my
You
Jesus.
had it up. You had it turned up all the way.
Yeah, but listen, the Insane is crazy because I was not expecting that much feedback. Like I said, I was like,
did you blow the speaker?
No, I did not. I swear.
All right, so let me tell you something. Whenever do you know how to get whenever it starts blinking, tap?
Ooh, my heart is racing
Hello?
right now. Yeah,
Switch
I'm
sounds.
trying.
I'm gonna show you something.
I'm shaking right now. I'm scared.
Why?
I don't know.
Because you just blew the speaker?
No, I did not. I swear.
You don't need to turn the amp all the way up unless you want to blow the speaker.
I didn't. I mean, it was, but frick. I'm so freaking nervous.
That's because you probably just blew the speaker.
No, I didn't. I swear. But keep the cup on clean.
Okay. Now you know how to make this light go off?
No.
If you would have read your instructions, you turn this all the way. One of them you do. You need to read to keep this from blinking. You turn something all the way up.
What's it? No, not my master volume.
Like that. What's tapping?
It's a tuner, man. I don't want to mess with it.
Read your instructions. Okay? Because there's things that Dad was just telling me you're supposed to do. Turn, and this light goes off. It keeps it from blinking and stuff.
Well, it's not blinking.
You're gonna ruin this.
I'm not.
Yeah, you are.
What are you talking about? I'm not gonna mess this up.
You had your amp all the way up, turned up.
No, it wasn't that loud though at first.
You don't turn your amp all the way up, dude. Are you crazy?
No.
That's why you don't have none. Because you tear everything up. Never turn that amp up. It only needs to be turned to a quarter of the way.